good maintenance is predictive maintenance as well as preventative maintenance, and L2L gives us this traceability to see the reliability of the machines, and we can see what needs done before it happens.
We are already seeing major changes in the way we operate, the way we manage the team, the data collection, the accuracy of the data, and I think we're probably just scratching the surface at this point. It's been a huge successful story, and I think even if you came back and spoke to us next year, we'll just be a completely different plant.
Over the past 6 months, we here at Keating Assembly Operations have been able to increase our OEE by 15 percentage points. And we've actually been able to drop our PMs required per week by 26%.
One of the big things is we no longer have radio calls. We use dispatches. Now that we have a dispatch, we have that record. So we're able to track all that data and actually run down the problems, and with the data to have long-term countermeasures to solve the issues that we're seeing. Predictive maintenance is the future, and L2L will play a major role in that.